Oh. You have to remove all the bolts. That's a new concept. Okay, so I think I know why it doesn't work. Oops. So where did this come from? I'll have to check. Okay. See any resemblance? We're actually not missing anything. This was mounted here, the air filter, and it looks exactly the same. So I'm guessing that some underpaid Chinese dude just dropped one of these when he was mounting this air filter, and it came here and through the carburetor, and it went inside. I'm gonna try and see if I can just take this away, if it runs. I'm not very happy, but as you can see, the head gasket, I need a new one. So it will just be a quick test run to see that nothing else is damaged, and if that's so, then I will buy a new head gasket and keep on digging. It's back together. Let's see what happens.